Hey everyone, it's Lisa from the blog farmhouseonboone.com, and today I'm going to show you a project that I did by repurposing an old sweater, and that is some really fun little DIY ornaments that take no time at all. If you watched my last video, you know that I pulled my favorite sweater out of storage this year after being pregnant and discovered that probably a moth or a mouse or something ripped a hole right in the front of it. It was my favorite sweater. And so I did a couple of repurposing projects to at least get some use out of my favorite cable knit sweater. So I showed you in my last video how to make this piping and grain sack pillow cover with the old sweater. And today I'm gonna show you how I made these very simple little ornaments that look really pretty on my natural neutral farmhouse Christmas tree. So for this project, you'll need some 3-inch embroidery hoops, a old sweater, obviously, a little bit of neutral fabric. You can use drop cloth, a white cotton canvas duck, or a grain sack, which is what I used in this case, some ribbon, and then a few little embellishments. I used some faux greenery as well as little bells. Now I'll link some sources for these in the description box, but they weren't very expensive at all and they were super easy. I started by laying a 5-inch by 5-inch piece of the sweater on a flat work surface. Now I made sure to cut a part of the sweater that was really pretty. So on the sleeve, there was a strip of cable knit that I thought was really pretty. There was a few other patterns, but they didn't fit nicely in my hoop. So I focused on this strip of cable knit. On top of that, I laid the same size 5-inch by 5-inch piece of grain sack fabric. It's just what I had laying around. Then I laid the inside of the hoop down, laid those 2 pieces of fabric on top of it, and then fit the outside hoop part on top of that. Now I did have to unscrew them fully to fit that amount of bulk within the 2 hoops. After that, I cut a little strip of ribbon and I just tied it in a knot around the top screw here on the hoop. Now that just acts as the loop to hang this on the tree. After that, I cut another longer piece of ribbon and I thread that through the top of a little bell that I'd found. Then I just put a piece of greenery into the top of the bell piece as well, and then pulled that ribbon back through the top and then tied a knot in it. Now, obviously, this is a really short tutorial. That was all there was to it. It was so simple to make. I went ahead and made 3 of them and then added them to my farmhouse Christmas tree. Now, in my full Christmas tree video that I did a few weeks ago, I made some of these ornaments with just the grain sack fabric. So these kind of coordinate nicely. It's nice to have a couple sets. So I have 3 of the grain sack fabric in the navy blue, and then I have these with the navy blue coordinating ribbon, and then the texture from the sweater as well as a few other festive touches, and they all look really pretty together on my neutral tree. Now, if you haven't seen that video, I'll link it in the description below, as well as the video for how to make the pillow cover from the sweater. Now, I'm trying to think of a few other ideas because I still have a little bit of sweater left, and I like so much how these projects turned out and thinking maybe I should make something else from sweaters. I also think that these little DIY ornaments would be really pretty on a handmade gift basket. So last year I shared on my channel a handmade gift basket idea. It has a homemade lip balm and body butter and candle, and I have some printable labels. I did a whole gift basket, so if you want to make a handmade gift, I'll link that in the cards and down below because that's perfect. But you could hang some of these little ornaments on that basket and it'd be even more festive and pretty. You could also just use this for wrapping. So you could do like a brown paper bag, neutral type of wrapping, and then put this on top for a little bit of decor, and that'd be a really special touch to make your packages stand out. Right, well, if you're brand new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. I have more content like this coming for the Christmas season, as well as I make 2 new videos every week on food from scratch, natural living in a handmade home. Thank you so much for stopping by the farmhouse.